We see these videos everywhere. AI talking avatars. Every time you turn around, people are talking about how they're making thousands of dollars with these characters that look real but aren't really real, but they're not telling their secret. Well, today I'm giving you the playbook because I found out what they're doing. So there's a platform that would generate these AI talking avatars for you that a lot of the gurus are using, and it's called Arcads. And thanks to Arcads sponsoring this video, we're able to dive into Arcads, and I myself am going to create my first AI talking avatar on Arcads.
Why are we doing this?
Because AI talking avatars will save you a bunch of time. You don't need a camera, you don't need to hire an actor, and you don't need to do any editing. So these people look super real. And this is especially good if you want to start a business or if you already have a business where you can have somebody representing and showing how good your product is without you ever being the one to show your face. Even if you don't have a business, there are more ways that you can make money with these AI talking avatars. So make sure you watch this video all the way through because I'm going to show you how I make my first AI talking avatar, and I'm going to tell you the other ways that you can make money using these AI talking avatars. But you know what you got to do. Hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like this money making content. And the way to do that is by hitting the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're new here, make sure you drop a comment so I can say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into how to make money online using AI talking avatars. Let's go. Okay, we're about to dive into my computer and I'm going to actually do my first AI talking avatar with you guys. But I want you to know AI talking avatars are really great for UGC style videos. UGC stands for user generated content. So the point of UGC is to make it look like a real person filmed it on their phone. And a lot of companies, large and small, are using UGC creators and avatars to sell their products because it looks more believable than a commercial to have somebody talking to you directly from their phone. And we've all seen these videos on social media where somebody is like,
Oh, wow, I just tried such and such product and it's amazing.
and then if you look at the bottom, the company is the one posting that video. That's a UGC video. That's not coming from that creator's account. But in addition to real people filming UGC content, now we can create our AI talking avatars to do it for us so that we don't have to show our face. So now that you understand UGC style videos and the purpose of them, there are other ways that you can use these AI talking avatars to make money. So we're going to talk about that in a bit, but I'm so excited. Let's dive into my computer and let's make my first AI talking avatar. Okay, so in order to give our avatars something to say, we need a script. But why think of our own script? So I went over to ChatGPT and I just told it what I wanted out of the script, and it generated a script for me in seconds. I copied it. And that's when I went over to Arcads. This is the platform that makes the magic happen. This is where we're going to create our AI talking avatar. Arcads made the sign up so easy. So I got right into the account and I was able to get to work. Now, I noticed there are several options. So there's the talking actors, there are gestures so that you can make the actors react, and also b-rolls and some additional scenes. So yeah, they have various options in here, but I pasted that script right into Arcads, and then I was able to choose an actor that's going to be the person, the AI person that actually does the talking for me. Now, over here on the left-hand side, they have filters so that if there are certain scenes that you want to have in the background, such as a coffee shop, you can choose those. But I wanted to scroll through. There are so many actors here. Y'all, I was scrolling for a hot minute because there were so many awesome options. But I settled on Isabella, not settled. I love Isabella. But I was able to paste that script right in there. And under settings, there are various ways that you can adjust the speed of which the AI avatar speaks. Also, like the fluctuations of the voice. They were all easy to adjust so that I can make her sound as realistic as possible. Once I quickly adjusted those settings, I was able to generate my video. And I was so happy to see that it only took one credit. like this video was almost a minute long. It took 1 credit, but let's see how this turned out.
Think you need a fancy studio or thousands of dollars in gear to narrate audiobooks? You don't. You know that. You can literally do it from home with just the basics. But here's the thing. If you don't know how to choose the right books for you or how to sound polished in your auditions, you can waste a ton of time and never get hired. And editing, that can be a nightmare without the right shortcuts. That's when I joined the Audiobook Blueprint. It walked me through everything from picking the perfect projects to nailing my auditions and editing like a pro.
I have to say, I'm so impressed with this whole process. It was so fast, so easy, and I don't even have to show my face. So yes, this is a win. This right here is a win. Now, once you created your AI talking avatar, you don't just have to do 1 video. You can do 20 videos, okay? Remember, you're not the one on the camera. That AI talking avatar, they're not going to get tired. So use them, all right? You can have plenty of content using ARCADS. And look, since ARCADS made this video possible, the best way to see how crazy good this platform works for you is to actually try it. So there's a special link that's down in the description. So click that link, sign up for ARCADS, send me a message, send me a DM on Instagram, and let me know what the result of your AI talking avatar is. Now, AI talking avatars are really cool, but you need to turn this thing into cash. That's what this whole channel is about, making money online, right? So how are we going to do that? The first way to use your AI talking avatar to make money would be affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you tell people about a product or service that is not your own product or service, and you can earn a commission by telling people about these products. And anytime somebody buys from your link, you get paid. So for example, if you sign up for Amazon Associates, you can become an affiliate of Amazon, and you can use your AI talking avatar on social media to tell people about that product and link that product to the post or in your bio, and you can earn a commission for any sales that you get on that product. And the second way to make money online using AI talking avatars is digital products. This is where you can use these avatars to promote your very own products. On this channel, I tell you guys various ways to create your own digital products, and I even have the mega content bundle that has already done digital products for you to be able to sell. So there's no excuse to not be able to sell digital products. And now you don't even have to show your face. Have your AI talking avatar promote that product all over social media, or if you want to run ads, do that. But these AI talking avatars will do the heavy lifting for you. You just got to put the plan in motion, baby. Now, the third way to make money online using an AI talking avatar is an AI ad agency model. So there are plenty of companies out there, and I mean, these can be local businesses to you. A lot of these businesses either can't afford to pay a UGC creator to create their videos, or they just have no idea how to create these ads. So you can reach out to local businesses, pitch the idea to them, maybe say, hey, I'll create 5 UGC style videos per month for your business for this flat fee. Baby, you just got yourself into a nice month after month contract, and you never have to click on a camera. This is why we think outside the box on this channel. So just think about this. You can land 2 agency clients and earn a full-time income from that, and still in the background have your affiliate marketing and your digital product money coming in on the back end 24/7. And this is what I always try to get you guys to understand. It's not about having one form of income. It's about having multiple streams of income coming in. So I'm giving you the resources, I'm telling you and showing you the tools. So it's up to you to utilize them. But the best way to know if this is going to work for you is to actually click the link below, take yourself on over to ARCADS and try out the platform. But I want to hear from you. Have you ever thought about creating AI talking avatars? Is this something that's completely new to you? Did you learn anything from this video? Let's discuss it in the comments. But I want to give a shout out to ARCADS for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate them and the way that you can support this channel, and also thank ARCADS for letting us see the inside of their platform is by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you are somebody that wants to start selling products online, but you don't even have a daggone product, then I suggest you watch this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it